Hi guys, welcome to GoldenEye, Understanding Bank Reconciliation Statement. In this reading, we will talk about our new adjustment of Bank Reconciliation Statement. Let's start. First of all, read these notes. If the question starts from passbook, then all items will be reversed except balance as per passbook or cash book. Items shown in the plus item will be written in the minus column and minus column items will be written in the plus column. Let's understand through example. Case 1. Opening stock plus purchase stock minus closing stock is equal to COGS. COGS stand for cost of goods sold. Please do not pay attention on what are the names, what are the meaning of these names. Only we have to understand calculations. Suppose opening stock is 50,000 plus purchase stock 20,000 minus closing stock 30,000. So after calculating we get 40,000 as cost of goods sold. Now come to case number 2. Suppose opening stock is not given and rest all items are given like purchase stock, closing stock, cost of goods sold. In this case formula will be different. Now we have to calculate opening stock. So opening stock is equal to cost of goods sold. So here purchase stock is plus, now it will become minus. So minus purchase stock, here closing stock is minus, so it will become positive closing stock. So amount of cost of goods sold given 40,000 minus purchase stock 20,000 plus closing stock 30,000. Now after calculating, now we get opening stock of 50,000. Similar situation comes under bank reconciliation statement. Suppose question starts from cash book balance, then add check issued but not presented, then add any inflow of cash, then deduct check deposited but not credited, then deduct outflow, then finally we get passbook balance. Till now we were going through cash book to passbook. Let's suppose now we have to go from passbook to cash book, then all items will be reversed. Positive will become negative and negative will become positive. Let's understand question. Prepare a bank reconciliation statement from the following particulars on 31st March 2020. A. Overdraft as per passbook rupees 40,000. It will come under minus item. B. Payment of check rupees 1100 was recorded twice in passbook. C. Withdrawal column of passbook undercasted by 400 rupees. Undercasted means something which is written less and withdrawal column means payment column. D. A check of rupees 400 debited in cash book but not sent to bank. E. A check of rupees 600 debited in passbook omitted to be recorded in cash book. F. A check of rupees 1000 sent to bank and dishonored. Let's understand the answer. Bank reconciliation statement as on 31st March 2020. Particulars plus minus. Overdraft debit balance as per passbook 40,000. Overdraft is a negative balance, so always it will come in the minus side. This time question is started from passbook, so now all item will be reversed. Payment of check was recorded twice in the passbook. So let's understand this through a small example. Suppose balance as per cash book 3,000, balance as per passbook 3,000. Payment of check was recorded twice in the passbook. It means mistake done by bank. So we made payment one time of 1100 rupees, but bank deducted twice. So as per cash book balance is 1900, as per passbook balance is 800, but we have to follow passbook balance. So we will make 1900 to 800 by deducting 1100. So now balance is tally. If the question would have started from cash book, then we deduct 1100, but here question is started from passbook, so all rule will be reversed. So now we will add 1100 rupees. Payment of check was recorded twice in the passbook. It will come in the plus item. Next we will understand withdrawal column of passbook undercasted by 400 rupees. Withdrawal column means payment column. Undercasted means something which is written less. Suppose balance as per cash book 2000, balance as per passbook 2000. Withdrawal column of passbook undercasted by 400 rupees. It means mistake done by bank. Bank wrote 400 rupees less in the passbook. Suppose payment was 600 rupees. Instead of 600, bank has written only 200 rupees. It means 400 rupees is less written. But here in the cash book, we have written 600 rupees in full. So as per cash book, balance is 1400. As per passbook, balance is 1800. And we have to follow passbook balance. We will make 1400 to 1800 by adding 400 rupees. But here the question is started from passbook, so all rule will be reversed. So now we will deduct 400 rupees. Withdrawal column of passbook undercasted by 400 rupees, it will come in the minus item. A check debited in cash book but not sent to bank. Suppose cash book balance 1000, passbook balance 1000. Check debited in the cash book 400 rupees. It means check must have added in the cash book, but check not deposited in the bank. Therefore bank didn't add 400 rupees. Therefore balance are mismatching. As per cash book balance is 1400, as per passbook balance is 1000. We have to follow passbook balance, so we will make 1400 to 1000 by deducting 400 rupees. But here question is started from passbook, so therefore all rule will be reversed. So now we will add 400 rupees. Check debited in cash book but not sent to bank, it will come in the plus item. Next is a check debited in passbook. Previous adjustment was check debited in cash book, but here check debited in passbook, omitted to be recorded in cash book. So let's understand through an example. Suppose cash book balance is 1000, passbook balance is 1000. Check debited in passbook, it means check must have deducted from the passbook, but omitted means to forget to record in cash book. That's why balance are mismatching. As per cash book balance is 1000, as per passbook balance is 400. So we have to follow passbook. So we will make 1000 to 400 by deducting 600 rupees. As question is started from passbook, so all rule will be reversed. So now we will add 600 rupees. A check debited in passbook omitted to be recorded in cash book, it will come in the plus items. Next we will understand check deposited in bank and dishonored through a small example. Suppose cash book balance 2000, passbook balance 2000, check deposited and dishonored. After depositing check, we must have increased our cash balance from 1000 rupees, but in the bank check has dishonored. That's why bank didn't increase their cash balance. So balance are mismatching. As per cash book balance is 3000, as per passbook balance is 2000. We have to follow passbook balance. Now we will make 3000 to 2000 by deducting 1000 rupees. As question is started from passbook, so all rule will be reversed. So now we are adding 1000 rupees. Check deposited in bank and dishonored, it will come in the plus item. Total of minus side item is 40,400 and total of plus side item is 3100. After deducting 3100 from 40,400, then we get credit balance as per cash book is 37,300. Why credit balance? As total of minus side item is more than plus side item. And what is the name of minus balance of cash book? Name is credit balance. That's why we wrote credit balance. Now that this is done, if you have any doubt, then please let me know in the comment section. Thank you.